Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today we're going to be cooking up some vegan baked beans in the kitchen, and you will not be disappointed. Let's get started. You're going to add some avocado oil to your pan and add in your diced onions. You're going to stir them around. Once you've stirred them around, you're going to add in your red peppers, diced. Toss those around. Add in that green pepper and toss those around. We're going to add in some onion powder, a tablespoon, and a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of smoked paprika. We're going to toss that around so we get all that seasoning sauteed into those peppers and onions. As it cooks into the bottom of the pan, you want to continue to toss it around. And as you can see, the flavor is beginning to smell. Aroma is smelling great. We're going to add in that red wine so that we can loosen up the flavor from the bottom of the pan. As you can see, you scrape it around, getting it all sauteed up there with some water. We're going to loosen it up a little more. We're going to 2 cans of navy beans. When I tell you that smell is great, it is great. Now you're going to add in your maple syrup, and that will be 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, because you know that's not only my favorite staple, but I'm always going to pour it up for the homies. We're going to add in some ketchup, and that'll be a 1/2 cup. Also, we're going to add in some barbecue sauce, which is going to be a 1/2 cup. I use the sugar-free barbecue sauce, all natural ingredients. Then we're going to toss that around together. As you can see, it begins to take form of the baked beans. Now we're going to let it cook down to a boil so that it all cooks down together. You want those beans to begin to cook down together and marinate in with all the flavor. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and begin to serve. Look at there. Vegan baked beans. Vegan baked beans goes great with any dish. Let's taste. This is good. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.